Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to talk about some ways and tips that helped me to gain a lot of people and a lot of followers on social media. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's skip that hawk and go to the location and let's dive into it. Test, okay. So this is how it sounds like if I'm going to talk to my phone. Alright guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to talk about social media and how I actually achieved to gain such an amazing and very wide audience. Hi guys, today I wanted to talk about 5 ways that helped me to grow my social media platform to more than over 25,000 followers in less than a month. How could I achieve it? How could I gain such an amazing and very beautiful and very wide and large community? The first tip that I wanted to share with you is consistency. People miss out on that very important fact that you have to stay consistent. If you're consistent enough, one day one video will go viral and people will follow you, because if one video goes viral, of course they would love to see the other videos of your beautiful profile and will say, okay, I'm going to follow that person. That's why it's very important to stay consistent. Just from experience, I know that it's very hard, and especially if you start, you will gain almost no feedback. Is your video good? Is your video bad? Is it too long? Is it too fast? But over a certain period of time, you will get feedback. You will adjust your content. And then once your video is going to be one of the best and high quality, and you take care of every aspect of it, of course, when it turns out to be good, that people will like it and they will follow you. So that's one tip that helped me and that I'm still doing. I'm still being consistent. I'm still uploading every day. And in order to achieve something, you have to do that as well. The next very important topic for me is high quality is very important. So once I record something, I first take a look into that footage. Is the quality there? Am I in the right focus? Is the sound good? Everything, because it should be appealing to your customer, to your listeners, that they would love to listen or watch your content. So don't be too rushy. Don't try to, hurry up. Take your time in the process and take care of quality rather than quantity. Of course, I would never say that you should be the perfect and be a professional. Of course, you will start in the beginning and you will make a lot of mistakes, but you should still upload it. But I mean, at least take several seconds before recording that footage to see if it's really in focus. Are you in line? Because there's so many things that will actually make the customer or the client or the person you wanted to reach in love with your content if they find it appealing for the eye to actually watch that. So make sure that your quality is very high and that you over a certain period of time also invest in your craft. Because as you can see right now, I'm filming with a camera, but of course I started with my phone, and most of you are also starting with the phone. So the phone is something very good and a good investment, but maybe try to level up your content game by investing in a nice mic, which I had, or a nice or better camera, or maybe just a stabilization for your phone so you don't have these shaky videos. Third tip that I always wanted to give you is something that people miss out, which is find someone who's in your niche and try to understand his way of creating content. Because if you have someone who's in your similar niche and he's already reaching a lot of people, then you can just save a lot of time by seeing which is going to get more attention, and maybe even find a market gap where you can publish your content in and save a lot of time, a lot of effort, and level up your game as well. So try to sign from someone similar and adapt and adjust. The fourth tip that I wanted to give you is that you have to know your profession. You have to know what you're doing. If you try to fake something, if you try to copy someone, if you try to do this and that, people will notice. So you can't copy someone one-to-one. You have to know what you're talking about. You have to talk with emotions. You have to really live in that. And if you're really living that, then people, the audience, they will understand it. They will see, okay, he's really real. He's really knowing what he's talking about. Like I'm talking, like for example, I could fake it. Oh, I have 500,000 subscribers, 500,000 followers, and you have to do this and that and this, and just copy someone who already achieved that goal. But you would notice it because I wouldn't talk from my heart. I wouldn't talk from experience. I would just copy and paste. And this is not the goal. You should, of course, get inspiration, but put your own style into it. Do it on your own way, because every one of us is unique, and you can actually resonate with people by being the unique you, who no one else can be. So try to make that your personality. Be yourself and be it with 100% and really show your passion, because people can resonate and they will really love to follow your journey. The fifth and last tip that I wanted to give you is very simple and very easy. It is the caption. The caption is so important because you upload the perfect and amazing content, the perfect video, the perfect post. People like it and they're gone. But you want to have them, right? You want to have leads. You want to have this. So, for example, what I do is I always ask questions. People will engage with my post, that they will read the caption, that they will be like, oh, okay, that's interesting. I can resonate with that. So what you can do is you can ask a question. You can say, or you can ask them for their experience. What are your thoughts on that particular topic? What would you do in my position? So try to connect with that people, and in the end, put a call to action inside of your caption. Tell them to follow you on your social media. Download that ebook in the bio, like you should do in my video, of course, since I'm having a free ebook, a free guide on another 5 tips on how I level up my social media game. It's free of course. Just click that link in the bio, put that email in, and I will send it to your email, and that's it. No cost, no nothing. So yeah, little side note if you're interested in that. 5 more ways, of course, more in depth and more with more accuracy and more details according to your needs. Yes, so according to that, the captions are very important. Try to make it your best, because that's where you actually can gain a lot of success. If you not only get the traction from people to like and engage with your content, but also follow or funnel them into your other social media accounts where you get more and more reach. So try to make that very important, a call to action to what to do and how to do it. Guys, that was 5 tips on how I could level up my social media game, and for you as well. So use them for your advantage. Some of you may or may not know them. I hope I could really help you and enjoy that video. And please, it would mean a lot to me if you actually like that and subscribe to my channel and really share that video with people who you think, okay, he could take some out of it. That would mean a lot to me, because I'm really putting in so much effort now into YouTube. I really want to grow my channel on here a lot, because I love YouTube. I love to spread the word with you and really engage and connect with you as an audience. So thank you so much, guys. I hope all the best for you. I'm rooting for you. And as you might know, I just wanted to tell you again that I have a free ebook on 5 more tips how I could gain a lot of people and I got a lot of followers on social media. And it's free of cost. Just click the first link in the bio, fill your email in, and I will send it right into your email box. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I hope the audio is good though. Woo!
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now?